Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is November the 8th on a Wednesday. Hope you're enjoying the test drive. If you're on it, taking a real quick look at the market, boy, it's been resilient and stubborn. It doesn't want to pull back. We are just at a critical level here, and if you look at the Qs as well, we've kind of tagged this or got real close to this high going back to October. So real quick, there's tons of earnings out there. I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to give you three stocks that I think have a potential setup for an explosive move. But Trade Ideas, I created this earnings watcher, and what it has is all the stocks who reported yesterday after the close or today in pre-market. And then what you could do is you can sort them by change from the open on a top list. But even better, you can just right-click in here and launch a real-time race. Okay, and then you can watch these in real time as the market opens, change from the open. So you have all the stocks that reported earnings. You're going to catch which ones are moving. You may see some ones that gap down that just take off, and they end up being the best trade of the day. So don't only focus on up gappers. Let the race show you what's working. All right, real quick, guys, let's take a look. Three stocks I'm watching today. Path is one of them. I did buy this yesterday at 17, but you can see this kind of 1 month high there. Could be explosive if it gets above that 17, call it 53 level. Another one is Asan. Okay, Asan is same kind of pattern there, 3-day high there. You can see I have an alert watching that above the 2050. And then one other one is Tesla. I think this has the potential, if it can take out that 3-day high, for a nice move, get above that 20-period moving average. So there you go. Have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.